Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, Health Secret Tips. Ramadan is a good start if you are aiming to start your weight loss journey. Mindful and healthy eating can help you lose weight and replenish vitamins and nutrients. This helps you keep a balance between energy needs throughout the day without getting any extra pounds. 1. Drink water and nothing else. Sugary drinks, juices, and milkshakes are a staple at every iftar. But you must stay away from these if you need to lose weight. Drinking water can help you lose weight because it helps your body release fat stores more quickly, which reduces the amount of fat your body has to break down. 2. Exercise is key. Energy levels are usually quite low while fasting, which is why most people never consider exercising during Ramadan. But removing physical activity from your routine for a whole month can be quite harmful. Therefore, a simple solution is to exercise half an hour before Sehri or 3 hours after iftar. 3. Stay away from fat, sugar, and salt. Pakoreas, samosas, rolls, and all fried food can be pretty tempting, but they are the most unhealthy foods for Ramzan. Fried foods and heavy meals are rich in calories and disturb your calorie intake and calorie utilization. This results in a fall in BMI in the range of obesity. Mindful eating suggests limiting the intake of such high-calorie food. 4. Add protein to every meal. Protein, rich foods like lean meats, eggs, and beans are filling without being high in calories. They also take longer to digest, so they will keep you full for longer. Due to all of these reasons, proteins are great to have in Sehri or iftari every day. It is essential to include animal-based products in your diet for meeting your protein needs. Legumes and lentils are rich in proteins as well as carbohydrates, so they are not preferred when you are on your weight loss journey. 5. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation. Fresh, leafy vegetables keep your vitamins and nutrients in balance, which keeps you healthy despite restricting your calorie intake. Also, according to research, they're packed with nutrients that can boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, and lower cholesterol levels. 6. Conclusion. If you intend to lose weight during Ramzan, keep yourself hydrated and eat a low-calorie but healthy diet. Avoiding sugary drinks and fried foods can contribute significantly to managing your weight during the whole month. Mild to moderate physical activity can also help improve metabolism and shed extra pounds.